Guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to create your account on the GoWish app. Now if you want to create your account or set up the GoWish app, then you just need to follow this step till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the GoWish app on your device. So if you have not installed the GoWish app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. So after that, open the GoWish app. So this is the landing page of GoWish. Here you'll see the option of I live in, and you just need to select the country where you are from, and here you'll see the option of sign up and login. So click on the option of sign up, and from here you may select the option of sign up with email, Facebook, continue with Google, or continue with Apple. So click on the option of continue with Apple. I'll simply select that, and here you just need to click on the option of continue and ask for your Face ID. So after that, you may also click on the option of continue with password, and after doing all of it, your account will be created and you will be logged into your. So after doing all of it, you just need to enter your first name, and you just need to select the date of birth. So select the date in which you were born. So I'll simply click on the option of confirm, and you just need to select the gender, and you just need to click on the option of small round box which is next to this. So click on the option of create account like this, and if you want to get notification, you just need to click on the option of turn on notification or click on the option of maybe later. So that's it. That's how you can create your account on the GoWish app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.